Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Instagram link to your TikTok bio. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on edit profile, and here you need to scroll down, and in the bottom you will find an option of social and Instagram. Click on that option, and then you need to put your Instagram login detail here and click on login, and it will take few seconds to log in. And here you need to enter a code, so I do not have a code. Once you enter a code, you can easily connect your Instagram with your TikTok. So this is our process by which you can add or connect your Instagram to your TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.